Hey there, fellow adventurers. It's your travel savvy buddy, Savvy Rick Brown, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we embark on an exploration of the enchanting heart of Paris, one of the world's most captivating cities. As we delve into its depths, we will discover the magic of the Paris metro system, an essential part of the daily rhythm of this splendid metropolis. Join me as we unravel the intricacies of this intricate web of tunnels, trains, and stations, allowing your Parisian adventure to flow as smoothly as a perfectly aged Bordeaux wine. The Paris Metro, or Metro de Paris, stands as an iconic subterranean network that not only connects the core of the City of Light, but also extends its reach to the charming suburbs that surround it. It is not just a mode of transport, it is the lifeblood of Paris, serving both its locals and the myriad of tourists who flock to its streets. To make the most of your time in this city, understanding the inner workings of the Paris Metro is nothing short of a game changer. The metro system in Paris is vast, encompassing 16 lines, each distinguished by a number and a unique color. The sheer size of the network might seem daunting, but rest assured, there is no need to fret about getting lost in this subterranean labyrinth. Parisians take immense pride in the organization and efficiency of their metro system, ensuring that even newcomers can navigate it with ease. Operating daily, the Paris Metro service typically begins at around 5:30 a.m. and continues until approximately 1:15 a.m. Whether you're an early riser looking to catch the morning light on the Seine or someone who loves to experience the magic of Paris by moonlight, the Metro has you covered. You can obtain tickets or passes conveniently at any station, making it incredibly accessible to all. Let's delve into the ticketing options. While there are several choices available, the most versatile one is the T+ ticket. This unassuming piece of paper unlocks a world of possibilities. With a single T+ ticket, you gain access to not only the metro, but also the extensive bus network, trams, and even the RER trains that operate within Paris, encompassing zones 1 and 2. This means you can seamlessly transfer between these modes of transport as long as your journey stays within these zones. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for those looking to explore various facets of this magnificent city, all with the convenience of a single ticket. So, whether you're planning to visit the iconic Eiffel Tower, savor a croissant at a charming cafe in Montmartre, or stroll along the romantic Seine, the Paris Metro, with its T+ ticket, is your trusty companion for an adventure filled with unforgettable memories. All right, travelers, let's go on to the next section. If your intention is to make the most of the Paris Metro system and rely on it frequently throughout your stay, then I'd strongly recommend getting a carnet, which is essentially a bundle of 10 T+ tickets. The convenience of having multiple tickets ready in your pocket means you can hop on and off the metro or other forms of public transportation without the hassle of buying tickets for every single journey. However, for those planning an extended stay in the City of Light or who simply want the ultimate in flexibility and convenience, the Navigo card is a fantastic choice. This weekly or monthly pass provides unlimited access to the entire public transportation network in Paris, including the metro, buses, trams, and RER trains within specific zones. It not only simplifies your travel, but can also lead to substantial savings, especially if you're planning to explore the city extensively over a more extended period. The Navigo card is a smart investment for both convenience and cost effectiveness. Now here's a nugget of wisdom for you savvy explorers. Rush hour in the Paris Metro can be, well, a bit crowded. If you prefer a more relaxed and comfortable journey, consider planning your trips during the quieter hours outside of the morning and evening peaks. This will not only ensure a more peaceful commute, but also give you the opportunity to savor the unique charm of the metro without the hustle and bustle. While you're traveling through the metro, don't forget to keep an eye out for those classic, charming Parisian station entrances. They often showcase exquisite art and architecture that's as much a part of the city's cultural heritage as its famous landmarks. As you enter and exit stations, take a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you, further enriching your Parisian experience. These little details can make your daily commutes an artful journey in themselves, adding an extra layer of magic to your time in the City of Light. Let's delve further into the remarkable world of the Paris Metro itself. The metro trains are renowned for their efficiency, cleanliness, and punctuality. This reputation is well-deserved and greatly enhances the overall experience of using this mode of transportation. Whether you're a local commuter or a traveler, you can count on the metro to get you to your destination with minimal fuss. To make it even more traveler-friendly, the metro goes the extra mile by providing signs and announcements in both French and English. It ensures that language barriers are no obstacle for anyone navigating the system, making it accessible to a diverse global audience. Once you step onto a metro train, you'll notice the maps displayed prominently, indicating the upcoming stops and transfer points. These maps are an invaluable resource that allows you to stay informed about your journey's progress and make informed decisions about your route. You'll always know where you are in this sprawling network, giving you the confidence to explore Paris with ease. As you prepare to disembark, the metro stations are thoughtfully designed and well marked, ensuring that you'll find your way to the exit or connecting lines without any confusion. However, here's a tip for you. If you're using an escalator, remember to stand on the right side. This is a cherished aspect of Parisian metro etiquette. By allowing others to pass on the left, you'll seamlessly assimilate into the rhythm of the city and show that you appreciate the local customs. In Paris, the metro is more than just a means of transportation. It's a reflection of the city's character and hospitality. With its efficient, clean, and punctual service, along with thoughtful bilingual communication, the Paris Metro ensures that your journey is both practical and enjoyable. Before we continue our journey, let me share something that'll make your travel adventures even more savvy. Introducing Kiss My Baggage Fees, how to be a savvy travel hacker. Maximize your adventures with insider tips on flights, discounts, and more. Get your copy now, link in description. In a city where culture and history are around every corner, the Paris metro system is not just a means of transportation, but a part of the Parisian experience. It's a fantastic way to connect with the city and explore its many neighborhoods, each with its unique character. So whether you're visiting iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, exploring the art of Montmartre, or savoring croissants in Le Marais, the Paris Metro is your trusty sidekick for the journey. Now it's time to set sail and explore the wonders of the world. Until we meet again on our next expedition, my savvy explorers, stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the world with an open heart. And don't forget to stay connected with me and share your own travel tales on social media.